What's up guys, Sharnice here, and I am unboxing my first term med school textbooks. I apologize ahead of time for the noise in the background. There are people who are celebrating and living their best lives on my block right now, so apologies ahead of time. All right, so my school sent us our books because we will be starting virtually, so I've been waiting all week for these books. I've been like looking outside the door like, where's FedEx? And I finally got my books, so I'm unboxing them for you guys, and I can't wait to see what's in them. I haven't opened them yet. The boxes here is too big for me to show you guys, but we're opening them together. So let's see what we got.
Avocado. Thanks.
All right, so first we have a letter. And this is just telling us about, this is just telling us things about e-learning, vital source, giving us our passwords for certain bookshelf apps and ebooks. So yeah. So this is all information about ebooks and what we'll need to access ebooks.
It's so hot in here. It's not hot in here to you?
All right, so the first book that we have is The Developing Human, and it is the 11th edition. This is an embryology book, it's called The Developing Human Clinically Oriented Embryology. So we'll be using this book. It's brand new, and there's an enhanced digital version inside. So that's pretty cool. All right, Human Genetics and Genomics. This is the 4th edition. I'm really interested in genetics, so I know this is gonna be coming in handy. Yes. Oh, and this also comes with a website. Okay, seeing a trend here. All right, for all my Grey's Anatomy lovers, we have our Grey's Anatomy review book, okay? I've heard that this is like Holy Grail. This is the student consult Grey's Anatomy book. So yes, it has lots of questions. This one comes with over 50% more questions. So that's good. We have the Clinical Atlas of Human Anatomy by Abrams and McMinns. And this is the 8th edition. The 8th edition of the Clinical Atlas of Human Anatomy. Oh, we have Ultrasound Anatomy. We have a book called Ultrasound Anatomy, and oh, wow.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Okay. So med school is not gonna be a joke. We get it. We get it. Of course, we have a biochem book because med school is full of biochem, so I'm not surprised about this one. Biochem, this is the 7th edition by Denise Ferrier. And oh, I love this book. In the MSAP, I'm already noticing that some of the images that I'm seeing here were used in the MSAP program. So yeah, I'm familiar with this context. I'm familiar with this content in this book, some of it. Histology, a text and atlas. So this is going to be very helpful because I found that histology is not easy, and I would definitely be needing an atlas for learning histology. It has really nice vibrant colors. Yeah, I love, like, look at that. This is good. It's really heavy. Cell and molecular biology, we're gonna have to know that. basic and clinical pharmacology. So I'm really excited to take pharmacology because I have never taken it and I've never even like touched on it in any capacity, but just I'm really excited to learn more about this subject. And it looks like it's gonna be very important. And finally, we have the Gray's Clinical Photographic Dissector of the Human Body. And this is really new. It's in a nice plastic wrapping. And again, this also comes with a digital version. All right, guys, so we have 9 books for my first term of medical school. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like $70, $80 for each book. So we're gonna be reading our textbooks, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said before, this was just an unboxing of my first term med school books and maybe even books that you will be using in your first term or semester of medical school. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.